In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Talkie AI without an account. By the end, you'll know how to quickly find the site, try out characters, and understand what you can and can't do in guest mode. First, open your preferred web browser and head to Google. You can do this by typing google.com in the address bar and pressing enter. Starting from Google makes the process simple and helps you land on the correct website, especially if you're not sure of the exact web address for Talkie. Next, in the Google search box, type Talkie AI and hit enter. You should see results that reference AI characters and chat experiences. This search helps you avoid mistyped URLs and keeps you on a safe path to the official site. If you see ads at the top, scroll past them until you find the main homepage for Talkie AI. Now, click on the Talkie AI website from the results. The official page typically highlights AI characters you can talk to and showcases a gallery or list of options. Give the page a moment to load. If the site looks different from what you expect, don't worry, designs change over time. But you're looking for a place where you can browse characters and open a chat. Once you're on the site, you can select characters that interest you and interact with them. Browse the available options, then click a character's card to open a conversation. The interface usually provides a text box where you can start typing right away. This is a quick way to get a feel for how the platform responds without creating an account. You can ask the characters whatever you want within the platform's guidelines. Keep your questions clear and specific for better answers. If you're testing how it handles topics, try simple prompts first, then follow up with more detail. Short messages are a good start, and you can refine your conversation as you go. If a response seems off, rephrase your message or add context to guide the character. It's important to know that you typically cannot fully use Talkie Chat or create your own characters without logging in. Guest access is usually meant as a preview, so features like saving chats, customizing personalities, or extended conversations may be limited. Think of this as a try before you sign up experience. If you enjoy the preview, you'll know what to expect if you decide to make an account later. That's it. You've learned how to find Talkie AI through Google, explore characters, and chat in guest mode, along with the limitations to expect. Enjoy exploring.